What's the meaning of Celtic harp? Celtic harp. Celtic harp.
Celtic harp. Celtic harp. The Celtic harp, also known as the clairseach in Irish, is a stringed musical instrument that originated in Ireland and later became popular throughout the Celtic regions of Scotland, Wales, Brittany, and Cornwall. It is known for its distinctive sound characterized by its bell-like tones and resonant bass notes, and is often played in traditional music settings. The instrument typically features between 22 and 36 strings, made from materials such as nylon, gut, or wire. Today, the Celtic harp remains an important symbol of Irish culture and heritage.